clear that the barracks is on the other side of the road. It was not on both sides of the road. Now that I'm going back to Parliament, I'm going to move a motion in Parliament that the army barracks be fenced permanently, like the way Gulu Barracks is fenced. Because every day, pick it up and we secondly, because of my activism, I thank the president of Uganda for issuing an executive order on Balalo and on Acholi. Now I have seen some of you Balalo here. There was a man standing here. The president has said Balalo should leave Acholi land. And that is the reason I talked to the president and I agreed to support him in this election. Now for you, you don't want to leave. You think you are more important than the president. You wait. On the 19th, I am mobilizing the community here to come and cut any cow that has not complied with the presidential executive.